saying number 252. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, "In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Allah has laid down Iman, belief, for purification from polytheism, Salat, prayer, for purification from vanity, Zakat, levy, as a means of livelihood, Siyam, fasting, as a trial of the people, Hajj, pilgrimage to the house of Allah in Mecca, as a support for religion, Jihad, fighting in the way of Allah, for the honor of Islam. Persuasion for good, Amr bil Ma'ruf, for the good of the common people, dissuasion from evil, Nahi anil munkar, for the control of the mischievous, regard for kinship for increase of number, revenge for stoppage of bloodshed, the award of penalties for the realization of importance of the prohibitions. The abstinence from drinking wine for protection of the wit, the avoidance of theft for inculcating chastity, abstinence from adultery for safeguarding descent, abstinence from sodomy for increase of progeny, tendering evidence for furnishing proof against contentions. Abstinence from the lie for increasing esteem for truth, maintenance of peace, Salam, for protection from danger, Imamat, divine leadership, for the orderliness of the community and obedience to Imams, as a mark of respect to the Imamat.